Okay, let's try to tear down the radio and adjust the spring for the steering to my liking. I mean, this mod isn't necessary for most, but I just prefer it to be a little bit more tight. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Okay, it's 3 screws. Carefully. Oops. Okay, so now we located. Yeah, this is a throttle. Okay, steering. Okay, we need to take out the steering wheel. Okay, this I think we need to take out everything. Yeah, we need to take out the throttle one first. Oh, there's a new sensor wire thing. Yeah, here. Okay, yes, the throttle, trigger. Okay, the steering, there's 3 screws. Just make sure there's 3 screws when you put it back. Yeah, this is the hassle. It's not adjustable from outside, but it's okay. For the feel of the spring, I need to just show you in case you want to modify. Okay, normally I would just put it here and have a feel of it. Okay, so how do I make it more tighter, stiffer? We just give it more preload by doing this, taking out the spring carefully not to fly away. Okay, put it maybe 2 or 4 coils. Yeah, I mean you count from the coils here, then try to slip it on over, something like that. You can see. Oh, okay, it'll be easier if you put it on the top first. Just try to stretch it, like maybe the third one. No, maybe, yeah, the second or third one, maybe. Okay, just put it on like that. Sorry, I'm nervous. Yeah, this first time. No, this is not the first time. First time on this controller. Yeah, I'm camera shy. Yeah, right. Okay, there you go. Careful. Just, yep, that should do it. Let me see if the orientation is correct. I think, yeah, overstretching. Okay, this should work out. Yeah. Okay, take a closer look. So I should give it more preload, but like a few more coils. Just stretch it over the hook here. Yeah, normally in normal usage it will not come off. Yes, it will not come off. Okay. Okay, so once you are happy with the tension, okay, you can put it back. Yeah, there's a lot of grease, so be sure to clean off later. 3 screws, remember. Okay, make sure you don't screw on any of the wires. Okay, if you are not happy with the tension for the trigger, you can also do the same. You can only stiffen up, and unless you find another replacement spring to make it softer. Sometimes the steering and the throttle tension is different. You can actually swap it if you want. Okay, now we put it back the screw for the throttle assembly here. Yeah, there's 2 screws. Alright, yeah. Okay, make sure everything is in line properly. Whoa. Yeah, this is the switch. Okay. I believe it's just stuff it in here. This wire, just be careful. It's something new. I don't have that in the previous controller. I believe this is to detect charging, so the charging light will come on. Okay. Check. Okay, check. This. Which way is it? Alright, here. This way. Okay. Make sure you don't press on any wires. Here, here, here. Okay, 3 points. Oops. This. Okay. Screw it on back. Don't tighten too tight or you will strip it. Yeah. Okay, well, this is a different design. I mean, this stopper is at the side. Usually they are on the top or at the bottom. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's test it. Okay, it's working. And the car. Oh yeah, I forget to bind. Okay, you can do this too. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Okay, working. Okay, so there you go.